The Canadian Bushplane Heritage Centre recently received the Canadian Aviation Award presented by the Canadian 99s.
The 99s are a worldwide organization of women pilots. It was started in 1929. Amelia Earhart was one of the first presidents. The Canadian Award in Aviation started in about 1974, and they accept donations, and they look to organizations, usually charitable, nonprofit organizations seeking assistance, ones who promote aeronautics or aviation. And the Bushplane Heritage Centre here is an ideal location for the education piece that they offer the community.
The Heritage Centre is also in the process of restoring its Fairchild KR-34 aircraft.
It's a unique spot in that, as well as having all their other aircraft here, but their bushplane history that is here is unique to the north. For example, the airplane that's being restored with this award is the Fairchild 34, and it was one of the first planes to dump water on forest fighters in Temagami. So, I mean, even the whole history of bush planes and forest fighting is unique to the Canadian wilderness, really.
We have a great heritage as far as bush flying and forest protection and management. We have many exhibits. We have 3 theaters, a brand new 3D Wildfires Theater. All of our planes are accessible and people can get up close and see what it was really like. We have many activities going on at the center and lots for families to do.
If you would like to see some of the great displays at the Bushplane Museum, you can drop by 50 Pym Street. For Shaw TV, I'm David Carlasio.